We are trying to factor this trinomial and then write the factors here. We are going to fill out both diagrams, but before we do that, let's focus on the lead coefficient. It is not 1 anymore, and that's kind of a big deal. Hey, it's 5. But enough of that. Let's fill out the diagrams. 5x squared goes here, and 4 goes here. And only the coefficient -12 goes way over here in the bottom. To get the top part of this diagram, we multiply the lead coefficient 5 with the constant 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Let's look at the middle part of this diagram. We are looking for two numbers that multiply to be 20 and add to be -12. Let's see if we can do that. One way we can get 20 is 1 and 20, or -1 and -20. But since we are adding to be a negative, that eliminates the positives. Here are the other ways we can get +20, where both numbers are negative. If we look at these numbers carefully, we can see that -2 plus -10 is -12. So we will put -2 and -10 here. And in this diagram, we put -2x and -10x. Now, keep in mind, we can switch these. That doesn't matter. Let's remember for a second what we are actually trying to do. We are trying to factor this trinomial and write the factors here. Those factors exist in the yellow parts of this diagram. So let's look there and start with these two boxes. The only way we can multiply to get 5x squared is 5x and x. But be careful. This is not correct because 5 does not go into 2. So we must switch the places of 5x and x. Now we can see that 5 does go into -10. The result of that division is -2. Not only that, -2 does go into +4. The result of that division is -2. Okay, we filled out the diagrams. Let's write the factors. Because we have a 5x and a -2 here, that gives us a factor of 5x minus 2. And because we have x and -2 here, that gives us a factor of x minus 2. Now keep in mind, we can switch the places of these two factors. That doesn't matter. Now, see if you can do number 5 by yourself, but if you can't, then you can always watch the video.